So want to become a data engineer but don't know where to start? Don't worry. In the next 2 minutes, I will show you the exact roadmap that thousands of data engineers follow to get their first job. So let's get started. The first thing you need to learn is SQL. If you ask any data engineer what skills they use every day, most of them will say SQL. So start by learning select statements, joins, group by, CTEs, window functions, and query optimization. Don't just watch tutorial, practice writing SQL queries every day. Then step 2, Python. Once you are comfortable with SQL, move on to Python. The good news is you don't need to become a software developer. Focus on the basic like loops, functions, file handling, APIs, exception handling, and working with JSON and CSV files. These are the skills you will use in real data engineering projects. Okay, now step 3 is data warehousing. Next, understand how data is stored and organized. Learn concepts like ETL versus ELT, data lakes, data warehouses, star schema, snowflake schema, and fact and dimension table. These concepts are the foundation of almost every data engineer interview. And I have covered most of the data engineer interviews or data engineer roadmap videos in my YouTube channel. You can follow that for the same. Step 4 is cloud platform. Now it's time to learn a cloud platform. I recommend starting with AWS because it's widely used in the industry. Learn services like AWS S3, AWS Glue, Athena, and IAM. If your company uses Azure or GCP, that's perfectly fine too. The concepts are very similar. So for AWS videos, you can go through with my channel and you will find a lot of videos on data engineering including AWS basics. Now step 5 is big data tools. Now learn the tools used to process large amounts of data. So start with Apache Spark, PySpark, Kafka, Airflow, and Databricks. Don't try to master everything at once. Learn one tool at a time and understand where it is used. Okay. Now finally, build 2 or 3 real world projects. For example, create an ETL pipeline, process data with PySpark, and store it in a data lake or data warehouse. Upload your projects to GitHub, practice SQL and PySpark interview questions, and stay consistent. If you follow this roadmap, you can become job ready in 6 to 9 months. So if you found this roadmap helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more data engineering in 2 minutes videos. See you in the next video.